everyone, it's Christy with Chef Green 2002. I just came back from the 99-cent store, so I wanted to share my haul with you. In the past few weeks that I've gone, it's been on a Thursday. So I know they get their truckload in on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So I thought this week I'd change it up and go on Tuesday and see if I found anything different. But actually I think Thursday's a little better. The produce selection was kind of low today, although I ended up getting quite a bit of stuff. So let me show you what I got, and then I'll show you a breakdown of how much I saved. So I'll just do a pan over here so you can see the stuff that I picked up. Some pretty decent veggies. So I'm excited about that. We're going to have stuffed peppers tonight. And these snow peas, last time I got them, I used them for fried rice, and they were so good. They were just amazing. So hopefully they're just as good this time. And then I got a 5-pound bag of red potatoes for $1 and some broccoli slaw. Make that with the apple cider vinaigrette and some craisins. Really good. And then a 2-pound bag of oranges. So basically, I've been going there to check out the produce. And so you do have to, kind of look and make sure that your produce is up to par, that it's, decent. And so what I do is I'll check the bag for any moisture or any, you don't want a lot of moisture in there. So that's what I check. And then I also check the date. So and the date on this one's 3/21. So that's pretty good. So I'll check that. Just like you would, check in the grocery store, or at least I do. I don't know. I probably spend a lot of time in the fruit and vegetable section, smelling, touching, and making sure the peppers are firm, and not squishy. And same with the potatoes. Check to make sure they're firm and that they don't have anything growing. There's no moisture. So I'm probably one of those crazy veggie ladies, but that's okay. And then I got these really nice looking tomatoes. Hopefully they taste as good as they look. And Michael loves tomatoes, so that's a nice little treat. And then some peeled garlic here, which is, once in a while I'll get this. I mean, for this price, it's pretty good. They give us quite a bit of garlic there. So yeah, so that's basically everything I got. Pretty excited to find this at the 99-cent store. I mean, this stuff is like $4 to $5 at the grocery store. It's crazy. So let me just show you my breakdown, or it's not really a breakdown. It's just a summary of the savings that I believe I got. So potatoes normally $1.99 at my local grocery store for that size bag, on sale of course. Broccoli slaw about $1.59, celery $1.79, garlic $2.99. The cauliflower would be about $2.69. Tomatoes would be $2.99. The feta would be $3.99. The Jellos, I have those at $1.99, but I think it might be a little low. The Pop-Tarts, $1.99 on sale, of course, not everyday regular price. And Crackerfuls, $2.50. So that's what I would normally pay for this stuff. So here you can see all the savings. I saved $1 on the potatoes, 60 cents on the broccoli slaw, 80 cents on the celery, $2 on the cauliflower, and so on. And so I came out with a total savings of $17.60 for those particular items over our regular grocery store. And I didn't include everything that I purchased. Like I didn't include the yogurts on there or the Philadelphia cream cheese. And honestly, I don't think I've ever paid full price for that cream cheese. I've gotten it at the 99-cent store a few times, and I got it with coupons, but I don't remember how much it was. So I can't really quote you on that one. But I saved at least $17 on purchasing my produce and stuff there at the 99-cent store today. And doesn't this cauliflower look cool? It's green. I found the orange one there before, and now I found the green. I haven't tried this, so it's a cross between broccoli and cauliflower. So it should be interesting. So that's pretty much it, everybody. Thanks for watching. Happy shopping.